Hi, I'm Megan Molten, an interior designer in Charleston, South Carolina. Welcome to our Officers' Quarters project. This is one of the original historic homes on Sullivan's Island, built in 1905. We were fortunate enough to connect with our clients who live in Virginia, who purchased this home during COVID and wanted to do a complete renovation. They love the historic bones of this property, but wanted something a little bit more modern and unique. So they brought us on to select everything from the hard finishes to the soft furnishings and the accessories and artwork you see throughout. I want to welcome you in and give you a tour of one of my absolute favorite projects I've ever had the opportunity to work on. Come on in.